Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to take a look at something that I saw on Amazon late one night, and it was like $13, and I was like, man, I kind of want to see that. So, it's a multi-function folding everyday carry pocket knife with, well, I don't know. Let's take a look at it. Maybe it'll be not as sad as I feel like it's going to be. I'm not hopeful though. But maybe it'll be a cool looking knife. And maybe I wasn't supposed to open it from that side. Oh well, I won that fight. Yep, probably wasn't supposed to open it from that side. Maybe I'm supposed to open it here. Nope, still not supposed to open this side. Alright, screw it. Just destroyed the box. There's a piece of plastic in here? What's a piece of plastic for? Alright, so this is an amazingly purple knife. Thank you for your etc. Alright, so let's take a look at this. So it's got a glass breaker here, a little pointy thing, and it's got a bottle opener there, because why not put a bottle opener on everything? And it's got a liner lock. Doesn't open too bad. Feels relatively solid. And it has a belt clip. Or a pocket clip. You know what's kind of weird? This doesn't feel like that bad of a knife. And I mean, it especially doesn't feel like that bad of a knife for a $13 knife. It's got what I assume are aluminum scales. That's a little surprising. I was sort of expecting just absolute crap. I'm wondering, actually, I was curious about that. Watch the bottle opener part. I was thinking that it might, if this was too long, it might pinch you right here. But look, it won't get you. It'll only get you at this point. It won't get you when it falls all the way back. That's kind of cool. All right. Well, that's a pleasant surprise for a $13 3 a.m. knife. What do y'all think? It feels much more solid than I was expecting too. Give it a shot. Not bad. You need to protect yourself from filler materials that people package with your knives. What do you think? Actually, I have an excellent question for y'all. What is something that you've randomly ordered at 3 a.m. that you were pleasantly surprised with? Something that you were figuring was just going to be cheap and garbage. And I mean, like, this isn't I don't know, I was expecting just a crappy knife, and this actually feels not too bad. The big question is, am I too much of a, like, basically a pocket knife elitist to carry this knife? I don't know, that's a tough one. I kind of like the knife though. For $13, I really like the knife. I think they come in a bunch of different colors too. I'll include a link in the description if you want to check it out. That was a pleasant surprise. Anyway, if y'all have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope you'll have an excellent day.